This is Mr. Driver School driver training. In today's video I'm going to do commentary driving from Cheshunt towards Coffley and Putters Bar, and on the way we got a big roundabout and some mini roundabout and also countryside. So the benefit of today's video, so people who's got tests coming up, and also advanced driving, and part 2, people who wants to become a driving instructor, how to do a commentary driving and drive safely. So if you test coming up, and this video probably useful for you. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. So let's start it from here. So put the car into the drive, full effective observation, and if you signal needed you can signal as well, then continue ahead. Okay, so we're going ahead and I can see the light is green pedestrian crossing, so I'm going to check my middle mirror and scan both sides of the pavement just in case somebody press the button. So if there's nobody, then continue ahead. Now the road is bendy, so I'm going towards the white line, check my right mirror, so following the layout of the road basically. So now pedestrian crossing, so this person is walking, the light is green. Just what I did there, just check my mirror, just come off the gas, allow him to finish. Right, now we got a big roundabout. At the big roundabout I'm going to go ahead, second exit, and so if the exit is before 12 o'clock, stay in the left lane. Check my mirrors, no signal needed. So now look ahead, if you see a gap, continue going ahead. So we're going ahead, second exit. As soon as we pass the first exit, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout safely. Beautiful. Now as soon as I straighten my wheel, just cancel my signal and going ahead. So just looking the shape of the road, looking far down the road for myself, and the road is uphill at the moment, so I need a little bit of acceleration because the road is uphill. So keep going, look at the shape of the lamppost, look at the shape of the tree, and based on that we just follow the layout of the road as far as we can see. So what we can see, what we can't see, what we expect to see. So junction, any junction comes from the left and right, so we need to be aware of just, and we basically anticipating if somebody just pulls out. Okay, so now let's stay close to the white line. So junction, check if there is nobody coming, look far down the road for ourselves. You got a bus line, so nobody in a bus, no bus lines, my apology, bus stop, nobody is there, just going ahead. Look, we got a junction onto the left hand side, so I'm anticipating just somebody comes out from the left hand side. The pothole, move away from the potholes. Right, so just follow the layout of the road, constantly planning. The secret of the driving, to plan ahead. So that's a warning sign. So it says humps in 700 yards, and you got a junction left and right, so you got a junction here to the right hand side. Nobody's there at the moment. I can see two people walking onto the road. Just anticipate they might just cross. Don't walk out to the other side of the road. So anything we see down the road, we need to anticipate what they might do, what they might come in front of you. Okay, so now the road moves out to the right. We follow the layout of the road to the right hand side. I can see a junction onto the right hand side. Anybody there? No, I'm aware of it. And there's a junction coming up on the left hand side. Check my mirrors, there is nobody there. Just continue ahead. Now see what else I can see. Okay, I can see a bus stop there, and I can see a junction. The black car is about to pull out, so I'm just gonna anticipate they might just come in front of me. Junction on the left hand side, so nobody's on the left hand side. Now the road is getting narrow, the grey car coming nice and slow. Gentle brake, then you can go. Beautiful. Okay, so now looking far down the road. Yes, so the road is narrow. I just slow down my speed and I'm going straight towards to the left hand side. Anybody on the right hand side? No, continue. Good. So now look at the shape of the road, then go ahead. Now we can see the pedestrian crossing there at the pedestrian crossing. So the junction to the left hand side, check anybody on the pedestrian crossing. There is nobody. Right, a junction to the left, junction to the right. So anticipating anybody, just pull out. Right, nobody there. Junction, I did mention about this one. Yes, right, looking forward down the road, the speed is 30, my speed is 29, 30. That's good. Now we're going downhill, so we need to anticipate if any cyclists. You can see in front of us there's no cyclists. Now downhill, the gravity, the car is going to pick up the speed, so we need to be aware our speed not going over 30. And then junction to the left hand side, anybody there? No, the car's braking. Okay, be aware of that. And you got a van parked onto the right hand side, so check our mirrors just in case somebody opened the door. Right, so now the speed is going to be 40 now, so check my mirrors. So not yet. As soon as I pass the 40, then I continue the speed up to 40. Okay, that's fine. So the silver car in front of me is braking at the moment. I don't know why. So now my speed is going over. It's about to go over. We went 41, but I just check my mirror, just gentle brake. Now the speed is going to 30 now. So mirrors, gentle brake, and also I can see a temporary traffic light. So mirror and then gentle brake. Okay. So stay closer to the white line here. Beautiful. Good. And then now we are about to reach Coffley. It says welcome to Coffley. So we got a few mini roundabout there, and then we got a pedestrian crossing. So we need to be aware of that. So now while I'm stopping, so I put my handbrake on. So I'm going to remove my foot from the brake, and just the handbrake will hold the car safely, so I don't have to use my foot to hold the brake. Just put the handbrake on. You got a facility, we have to use the facility. Okay. So let's see at the moment the light is changed, we ready to go. Just wait for the light now. Okay. The temporary traffic light takes a little bit longer than normal. Okay, yes. So now, check my mirror, foot on a brake, put the handbrake down. Then before I move, look at my side, just in case the motorbike or cyclist next to me, they might overtake me. So just be aware of that. So now check my right mirror now, check my left mirror to come back again to the left hand side. Continue going ahead. Yes. Okay, so now we've passed the temporary traffic light. Now we've got a mini roundabout here. So check my right mirrors. Just make sure there's nobody there. Anybody there? No. Continue ahead now. That's good. So stay closer to the white line. Then continue. Yes. Good. Pedestrian crossing. So check both sides. Anybody there? No. Continue ahead. Beautiful. Okay. So now we're going to be turning left at the end of this road, so we follow the steps, we follow MSPC routine. So mirror, signal, position, speed and look. So center mirror, left mirror, signal, left, position to the left, nice and slow towards the left hand side. Now we've got another giveaway line. We've got a giveaway line there, a giveaway line there. Have a look, 1, 2, 3, where the red car is going. Red car is not coming here, then continue. Okay, so now we got a mini roundabout, so check our mirrors. Nice and slow, just come off the gas here and just look to the right hand side, because you can't see the closed roundabout. If it's safe, then continue. Okay, so now that car is turning, so just check my mirrors, allow them to finish. But you got a school crossing and you got a zebra crossing coming up again towards us. Yes, so zebra crossing, so check our mirrors, just scan side to side, make sure there's nobody there, then continue. White car about to pull out, so just be aware of that. And you got a cyclist the other side. This car might overtake the cyclist and come to my side. You see? Yes. Just gentle brake. Be aware, read the road. So now the lorry is going to turn. So mirrors, just gentle off the gas and allow the lorry to finish. now I can see the speed limit is changing to 60 mile an hour. Check my mirrors, then progress. That's good. There you go, speed up now. So that's 60 mile an hour. Then continue national speed. Okay, so it doesn't mean you have to go 60 if the road is safe. So based on the road conditions, if it's safe to do so, it doesn't mean if you see speed limit 60 or 70 you have to go. No, based on the condition of the road. So this car is braking, so mirrors, just gentle brake, allow him to finish, then follow the layout of the road. Now we're going to speed up. That's good, there you go. So now uphill you need more gas. In front of us we got the lorry, so we cannot overtake the lorry at this moment because we got two lorries back to back. So anyway, the speed will be reducing very shortly here. 40 is coming up. So mirrors, just come off the gas to make sure you're not going over 40. Then follow the layout of the road. Beautiful. So when we do a commentary driving, we can't just say, okay, so I can see the road and bendy, or I can see the speed limit up or down, or I can see the cars parking. So we need to exactly say what we're going to do about it. There's no just point, okay, I can see the junction, I can see the traffic light, I can see these. Yes, but what are you going to do about it? You have to do something about it. Yes. So when we do commentary driving, we have to say, okay, so now mirrors, off the gas, gentle brake. The reason why did I do that? So the reason I've done that, number one, the speed limit reduced from 40 to 30. Number two, who's behind me? How my slowing down will affect the car behind me. So now it's 30. Just follow the layout of the road. That's good. 30. Good. So the humps, yeah. And just follow the layout of the road again. Okay. So I'm trying to put these humps under the car. There you go. Yeah, mirrors. There you go. That's good. So now there's a car park. Yes? Yes. What I'm going to do? Check my mirror, center mirror, right mirror. Slowly move out and give myself enough space. Why? Just in case somebody's opened the door. So this van's gonna come. Mirrors, just gentle brake. Let them finish. Check my center mirror, right mirror. Move away. Center mirror, left mirror, come back again. Yeah, so the reason I go a little bit to the right hand side, just in case somebody open the door again. Here, center mirror, right mirror, move away from this car. Center mirror, left mirror, come back again. That's good. Now just follow the layout of the road. Oh, there you go. Now continue, follow the layout of the road again. Good. So we look at the shape of the tree, shape of the lamppost. This is a country, so driving that lamppost and the tree will help us where the road goes. Now the speed limit changed from 30 to 40. So let's go. Check my mirrors, then accelerate. So make sure don't go over 40. Good. Okay. So 38, 39, and the road is bendy. Just follow the layout of the road towards the bend. Then continue. Okay. So now we've got a junction there and junction here. So anticipate. See the white car? The white car might just pull in front of me. There you go. Yes. So I was aware of that. They're gonna pull in front of me. Now it's flat. So nice and slow here. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Try to go slow because my car's gonna get there if I go fast. Okay. And I don't know what's in there under the water. Close into the white line, look far ahead, and majority of the time the holes or pothole is towards the left hand side, towards the drainage, and majority of the time the holes closer to the curb. So that's why I'm staying closer to the white line to avoid the potholes not damaging my Lamborghini. Right, okay, so mirrors, gentle brake. There you go. Now the light is changed red. Then I'm checking my mirrors and just come off the gas. Nice and slow, gentle brake. I can see the speed limit change from 40 to 30 now. Yeah. Press the mirrors, then continue. So move away from the curb, follow the layout of the road. Stay close to the white line. Yes. And I can see school sign, but it's not school time at the moment, but I'm aware of that. Right, the road is bendy now, this is bent to the left, so I will check my middle mirror and left mirror and follow the layout of the road. So first of all, front mirror, right mirror, closer to the right side. Then at this point, the road goes back to the left, so front mirror, left mirror. Just be aware who's in there. Just continue ahead now. Good. See what colors the light. The light is green. So front mirror, right mirror. I'm going to go right, signal right. Position myself behind here and just wait for opportunity. 1, 2, 3. Then continue going. There you go. Say good. Thank you guys. I hope you find this commentary driving useful. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more content like that. Thank you and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.